Hello everyone, and welcome back to English TalkWave.
Hi everyone, we are very happy to have you here today.
How are you today, Daniel?
I'm doing great, thank you. How about you?
I'm doing well. Thanks. Have you ever felt nervous about meeting someone for the first time?
Yes, of course. Sometimes I know what I want to say, but my mind goes blank.
I think many English learners know what that feeling is like.
Yes, you may want to speak, but you feel nervous or shy.
You know some English, but you do not know how to begin.
You may worry about making a mistake.
Or you may think, what if they do not understand me?
Then the other person speaks quickly, leaving you confused.
You may also feel shy about your pronunciation or afraid to answer a question.
But do not worry. Many English learners feel this way too.
You are not alone, and you do not need perfect English.
You only need a few simple sentences to get started.
In today's lesson, you will learn to start a conversation, introduce yourself, and answer simple questions.
First, you will hear a natural conversation.
Then we will explain the most useful expressions and practice them together.
Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready. Let's get started.
Great, let's begin. Now let's listen to a simple conversation.
Imagine that two people are meeting for the first time at a community event.
They do not know each other yet.
Let's begin.
Hi, is anyone sitting here?
No, you can sit here.
Thank you. My name is Daniel.
Hi, Daniel. I'm Emma.
Nice to meet you, Emma.
Nice to meet you too.
Is this your first time at this event?
Yes, it is. What about you?
It is my first time too.
Oh, that's nice.
Do you live near here?
Yes, I live in Surrey.
Really? I live in Surrey too.
That's great.
Where are you from originally?
I'm from Italy.
Oh, nice. Which city are you from?
I'm from Rome. What about you?
I'm from Vancouver.
Vancouver is beautiful.
Yes, it is.
What do you do?
I'm an English teacher. What about you?
I'm an accounting assistant.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I do. I like working with numbers.
That's great.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I like reading and taking pictures. What about you?
I like listening to music and walking in the park.
That sounds relaxing.
Yes, it is.
It was nice talking with you.
It was nice talking with you too.
I hope to see you again.
Me too. See you next time.
Bye.
Goodbye. Now, let's review some useful expressions from the conversation.
These expressions will help you begin a conversation when you meet someone for the first time.
Start with a simple greeting.
You can say, hi.
Or you can say, hello.
In the morning, you can say, good morning.
In the afternoon, you can say, good afternoon.
And in the evening, you can say, good evening.
You can also ask, how are you?
You can answer, I'm good, thank you. How are you?
These greetings are simple, friendly, and natural.
After your greeting, you can ask a simple question to begin the conversation.
In the conversation, Daniel asked, is anyone sitting here?
This was a natural way to begin a conversation with someone new.
Now it's your turn. Listen carefully and repeat each expression after us.
Speak slowly, repeat each expression out loud, and don't worry about making mistakes.
Repeat after us.
Hi.
Hello.
Good morning.
Good afternoon.
Good evening.
How are you?
I'm good, thank you. How are you?
Great job.
Keep practicing. It will become easier each time.
After greeting someone, tell them your name.
They know who they are speaking with.
You can say, my name is Emma.
Or, I'm Daniel.
Both are correct.
My name is Emma is a little more formal.
I'm Daniel is shorter and more natural in conversation.
Repeat after us.
Hi, my name is Emma.
Hello, I'm Daniel.
Now it's your turn.
Say your name out loud.
We would love to get to know you.
What's your name? Great job.
We're happy to hear from you.
Thank you for practicing with us.
Let's learn what to say when someone introduces themselves.
When someone tells you their name, you can say,
Nice to meet you.
This is a friendly way to show that you are happy to meet them.
The other person can answer,
Nice to meet you too.
Let's see some examples.
Hi, my name is Daniel.
Hello, Daniel. I'm Emma.
Nice to meet you, Emma.
Nice to meet you too, Daniel.
This simple example shows how two people greet each other when they meet for the first time.
Now let's learn some useful phrases for talking about where you are from and where you live.
Where are you from?
You can answer, I'm from Italy.
You can also say, I'm originally from Italy.
Originally tells us the country or city you came from.
You may also ask, where do you live?
To talk about your home now, you can say, I live in Vancouver.
These two questions have different meanings.
Where are you from? Asks about the country or city you came from.
Where do you live? Asks about your home now.
You can also combine both ideas in one sentence.
For example, I'm originally from Italy, but I live in Vancouver now.
Please repeat after us.
Where are you from?
I'm from Italy.
Where do you live?
I live in Vancouver.
Now repeat the full sentence.
I'm originally from Italy, but I live in Vancouver now.
Now it's your turn.
Say where you are from and where you live now.
Say it out loud. This will help you feel more confident.
We would love to hear from you.
Where are you from and where do you live now?
Great job. Thank you for participating. Now, we will learn how to talk about your job and your hobbies.
First, let's talk about your job.
Someone may ask, what do you do?
This usually means, what is your job?
You may also hear, what do you do for a living?
It has the same meaning.
You can answer, I'm an accounting assistant.
Or you can say, I work as an accounting assistant.
Use work as before the name of your job.
For example, I work as a janitor.
Use work at before the place where you work.
For example, I work at a hospital.
You can also put both ideas together.
For example, I work as a janitor at a hospital.
If you are a student, you can say, I'm a student.
You can also add, I'm a student at a university.
Next, let's talk about your hobbies.
Hobbies are the things you enjoy doing in your free time.
Someone may ask, what do you like to do?
You can answer, I like reading.
You can also say, I like to read.
Both are correct.
Here are a few more examples.
I like to cook.
I like listening to music.
I like going for walks.
Now it's your turn.
Think about something you enjoy doing.
What do you like to do in your free time?
Share your answer with us.
We would love to hear from you.
Great job.
Now, say your answer one more time.
Excellent. Practicing out loud will help you feel more confident when you speak.
Now, let's learn 2 more useful parts of a friendly conversation.
First, you will learn how to ask someone to repeat.
Then, you will learn how to end a conversation politely.
Sometimes the other person may speak too quickly.
You may understand some words, but not everything they say.
Do not worry. You can politely ask them to repeat or speak more slowly.
You can say, could you say that again, please?
You can also say, could you speak more slowly, please?
Another useful phrase is, sorry, I didn't understand.
These phrases can help you understand the other person and continue the conversation.
When the person repeats or speaks more slowly, you can say, thank you.
You have learned how to begin and continue a friendly conversation.
Now let's learn how to end it in a friendly and polite way.
You can say, it was nice meeting you.
The other person can answer, it was nice meeting you too.
You can also say, I hope to see you again.
The other person can answer, me too.
Before we finish, let's review what you learned today.
You learned how to introduce yourself and answer simple questions.
You learned how to talk about where you are from, where you live, your job or studies, and your hobbies.
You also learned how to ask someone to repeat and how to end a conversation politely.
Now listen to one complete example.
Hi, I'm Emma.
Hi, Emma. My name is Daniel.
Nice to meet you, Daniel.
Nice to meet you too.
Where are you from?
I'm from Vancouver. What about you?
I'm from Italy, but I live in Surrey now.
What do you do?
I'm an accounting assistant. What about you?
I'm an English teacher.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I like reading. What about you?
I like cooking.
That's nice.
Sorry, could you say that again, please?
Of course, I said. That's nice.
Thank you.
It was nice meeting you.
It was nice meeting you too.
I hope to see you again.
Me too. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Now it's your turn.
Now, introduce yourself using your own information.
Say your name, where you are from, where you live, what you do, and what you like to do.
Please share with us.
We would love to hear from you.
You can begin like this.
Hi, my name is...
I'm from...
I live in...
I work as a...
Or, I'm a student.
I like...
Now, introduce yourself.
Great job.
Remember, you do not need perfect English.
Speak slowly, use simple sentences, and keep practicing.
Write a short introduction about yourself in the comments. We would be happy to hear from you. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like the video, share it with others, and subscribe to English TalkWave.
Thank you for learning with us today.
See you in the next lesson.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye!